Okay, now we'll go to downtown Bowling Green. Not really a whole hell of a lot down here. Some shops and what have you. If you're a yuppie, I'm sure it's a lot of fun. And of course, they're all historic. Everything here is historic. Or a natural wonder. Seems like lights take forever to turn green here. Or at least the ones I stop at. It's kind of a trendy little downtown area. Happy birthday, Brent, whoever Brent is. I got some goober in a Range Rover behind me, probably cussing because I'm out looky-looing. People all look at me like I have some sort of disease when I'm in this car for some reason. Depending on where I'm at. Guy in this Range Rover behind me is staying with me. What's the deal? He wants to buy my car. I've already been told my car has satanic and Nazi symbols on it. And I already said, well, okay, then I guess I'll fit in at the Satanist conventions and the local Nazi party headquarters. Been told I'll be prayed for. I guess I use all the help I can get. Anyways, that's downtown.